Drones help save human health. Pelixar LMA is a drone system for obtaining detailed information about smog and other air pollution. This is not only a fashionable problem now, but has a real impact on respiratory diseases and contributes to a significant increase in the number of deaths per year. The Pelixar LMA drone system allows you to monitor air pollution and thus better fight smog. The drone, on the basis of an established search grid or in manual mode, flies regions with elevated levels of poisonous elements. During flights, it saves and transmits to the system data such as the amount of pollution particles, PM 2.5, PM 10, formaldehyde, benzene, alcohol, and altitude, temperature, pressure, humidity, GPS position. The system can also work with other sensors, for example, harmful gases. Parameters after mapping allow for indication of critical areas. These data are plotted on a three-dimensional map of pollution distribution. The map allows you to show not only a one-dimensional distribution of pollutants in the air, but also layered at different heights and takes into account data from different time intervals. Stationary ground sensors do not provide such possibilities. This allows local government territorial units to recognize the scale of the phenomenon and find major emitters of poisonous substances. The system additionally shows the operation of air corridors in cities, directions of smog and other air pollution's movement, and its distribution. Pelixar LMA. The future depends on us.